Mornings have a magical ritual for millions, revolving around that comforting cup of coffee. Caffeine's bad reputation for causing dehydration has finally been debunked by recent research. In fact, caffeine plays a vital role in enhancing our physical and cognitive performance. Surprising new findings now suggest that caffeine may protect against multiple serious diseases. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism has revealed fascinating results. Moderate caffeine intake significantly reduces the likelihood of developing cardiometabolic diseases, known as CMDs. These CMDs range from heart attacks and strokes to conditions like diabetes and fatty liver disease. Researchers analyzed over 500,000 participants, noting that caffeine drinkers had a notable health advantage. Surprisingly, moderate coffee drinkers experienced the lowest risks of developing these severe health issues. Consuming 3 cups of coffee daily could lead to remarkable long-term health benefits and vitality.